Okay, so we are over here in Hollywood Studios backlot here at Disney California Adventure on the 20th anniversary of Disney California Adventure. And normally this place would be hopping and there would be celebrations galore celebrating the 20th anniversary. But because of COVID, we can't do that. So California Adventure is just open. There's lots of shopping. I'm having a really good time shopping. And there are lines for everything. So if you miss the lines at Disneyland and California Adventure, come on down because you will enjoy the lines. It's part of the magic, right? There we go. A little humor there. The lines go really fast. We just went in off the page and we bought a few things and we spent maybe 15 minutes in there. They're limiting capacity for all of the stores. So you're more than 6 feet apart from people, and they only let a certain amount in, and when you come out, they let more in. So that's pretty cool. And then they have all these outdoor stores set up too, because you can't go in a lot of the stores. So Studio 17 is open, and this is the line for that. So you want to come down here and go shopping. They've got merchandise in there. Pretty long line, and I just talked to one of the cast members and asked what was in there and if anything was exclusive, like to AP holders or anything like that. And she said there's nothing exclusive in there, so I'm not standing in line to go shopping. We stood in line for off the page. That was enough. So they have lots of Guardians of the Galaxy stuff and Marvel over here. Really, really cute stuff. I just got a painting of Mickey Mouse. And we got a puzzle because we're avid Disney puzzle fans. We love doing Disney puzzles, especially the Kincaids. So much fun, especially during COVID, but we've always done them. But let's see. So there's the back side of Hollywood Studios. This is some of the really cute little Groots we have. This one right here I have, and he's on my shoulder. Let's see. I can turn you around. He's right here. So I already have him on. We're going to be looking for a Grogu, which I see over there. I want to get one that goes on the shoulder, so let's go see. I see him from here. I thought he was going to be in a different area. Very cool, very cool. We also collect the child, Mandalorian the Child, or Grogu now as he's known. Oh, I think that's him. I think that's him.
Yeah, but we know how much you like it.
Yeah. Yeah, he is, you guys. Oh, I think we need one of these. Is he? I can't tell. Oops.
Don't know.
Is he the shoulder? He's the shoulder one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want one. Did you get your magnet over there? Okay, so we are going to purchase my Mandalorian Grogu, my little one. He's going to go on the other shoulder, on my husband's shoulder, one or the other. And then we're going to go over here to WandaVision. Here, stay right there. WandaVision, let me just show you guys really quick because we're going to stand in line and then take a picture. This is really cool. So you stand in line over here, and then you take your picture through the televisions, right there. Yes. And you sit in the back like that. Isn't that cool? It's really cool. So we're fans of WandaVision. It's really cool. Good series so far. Wasn't sure of it at first, but learned to like it. So empty stage, turkey legs. I believe they're selling turkey legs at some place, but not at the regular stand. Don't remember where that was, but I'm sure that we'll see that. We're going to go the other side of California Adventure, and then we're going to go to Downtown Disney, and I will take you guys along for that. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe. I'm going to be uploading all day and maybe going live again, and we are going to be giving away a Disney souvenir. So stay tuned, guys.